Ta, Cotabato na punta o banta. Kasal din niya mga tuan magmaninay ug maninay si tatay ug nanay. As we head south, we're coasting through Kibawi and Damulog, watching the Bukidnon scenery change. But the real view starts here. The Carmen Cabacan Highway, 22 kilometers of nothing but a straight road. And we crossed the Maguindanao Arc. So, we had to stop for a quick roadside lunch. Palit may kwan. Paniod to. Ano ilang kwan, no? Pantat o karpa. And you can't miss this. Authentic smoked carp and haluan. This is the local taste of the province. Moving into the city, we finally reached Cotabato. And we actually just arrived in time. This sunset at KCC Mall was a perfect welcome. I mean, look at this. And then wedding bells, a beautiful celebration for the family. And after the vows, we cooled off at the beach. Crystal clear waters, calm and refreshing. Before heading home, we visited the Grand Mosque, officially the Sultan Haji Hassan al Bolkiah Mosque, completed in 2011 with funding support from the Sultan of Brunei, and currently the largest mosque in the country. Leaving Maguindanao behind, the journey closes beautifully. Golden trumpets in bloom, which means we are now back in Bukidnon.